Hi, I'm Dr. Bismah Irfan, and today we are exploring stem cells and exosomes to repair damaged kidneys. Our bodies produce these tiny packets called extracellular vesicles, also known as exosomes, which can carry healing factors. Research has shown that these vesicles, especially those called stem cells, help repair kidney damage. Think of it like this. If your kidney is a house needing repairs, these vesicles or exosomes are like tiny trucks delivering all the necessary building materials and instructions. What's really cool about this approach is that it perfectly aligns with the body's natural healing processes. So in my practice, I always look for ways to support the body's innate ability to heal itself. And this is a prime example that means less invasive treatments and better outcome for people with kidney disease. So if you are dealing with kidney issues and want to explore both current and cutting-edge approaches to improve your kidney health, then give us a call. We are here to help you navigate this journey and help you with your kidney health.